Introducing the JumpSurge300, a powerhouse jump-starting tool and power bank. With 3,000 peak cranking amps, breathe life back into your vehicle in a mere second. It's not just a jump starter, it's a savior for up to 9 litres. Gas and 7 litres diesel engines. Stuck on the road with a dead battery? The boost function is your do-over button, ensuring you're never left stranded. But the JumpSurge300 is not just for vehicles. It moonlights as a power bank, charging your essential devices swiftly and efficiently with its USB Quick Charge 3.0 port and Type-C bidirectional charging. Crafted with a rugged design, it stands tall against water, dust and wear. Whether it's freezing or sweltering, the JumpSurge300 is your reliable companion. But wait, there's more. It's also an LED flashlight, shining a 400 lumens light in the dark, and can signal for help with its SOS setting. Safety is paramount with the innovative stop-spark sensor, suspending use after too many jumps, preventing overheating and battery damage. And get this, it's a security expert too, with smart protection features that guard against 7 serious hazards. The JumpSurge300, your robust and powerful travel gadget, is here to keep you ready for anything.